Here we are working on the 2009 Beetle before the big road trip, doing the inner and outer tie rod ends. I got the outer tie rod end is off. You can see the boot was torn, and there's you can move it like with a finger. You know, it's for the ball in the socket's pretty worn out. And then looking at the inner tie rod end, if it just flops down like that, that's pretty worn out as well. So go ahead and replace these. We got the new ones from Rock Auto, and as you can see, they are very stiff. I can't even move it at all. They just got a little cover here. I think you can just pop right off. Yep. Fresh new boots, not ripped or anything, so these should go in and be a good replacement. So that way we don't have any issues on our long road trip. Because I noticed when I was replacing I replaced the tires about a month and a half ago, and I felt the side-to-side play was quite a bit of play. So it turns out it was the tie rod ends. So I will continue working on these. And for the inner tie rods, I got that bright green case, and that should have, borrowed it from my good co-worker, my good buddy. Should have all the attachments I need. So let's take this down. Garage looking a little different. No more Mustang in here. It's been sold, and I'm hoping in a couple years I can fully own a GT350 or some kind of newer Coyote Mustang. Stick shift, of course. And because the CarMax 30 days is over. All right, so that's what this looks like. You got the long bar with the means of attaching a 1/2-inch breaker bar or ratchet wrench in all my different sizes. So I will go ahead and get this set up. That way I can remove the inner tie rod. So I think this guy just slots in right there. And then the middle of this crow's foot looking piece will go right over the hex part of the inner tie rod end. All right. Work always continues on the Beetle, but this Beetle has been pretty good for me so far in almost 5,000 miles of ownership. Of course, gonna do an oil change right before I leave, and coming up on the 5,000 mile interval as well. So that just kind of works out. And I bought some coolant just to have with me on the road trip. It looks pink, it's actually purple. There was a switch over in 2008, this being a 2009. For European vehicles, they were using pink before, then they switched to purple. So I'll just roll with purple. I just have to top it off a little bit, really. Other than that, I also am gonna try to replace the headliner. It's been sagging. So I just cut part of it off because it was, you know, hitting me in the back of the head while I'm driving with the windows down. So that will be the next project. And then this thing will last me however long it'll last me. So shout out, the bus backed into it, broke the headlight housing. So I had plans to maybe sell it, but now it's with me for a while now, because it's not so easy to source a headlight for any frugal amount of money. So that's it, and we shall continue. Thanks for watching.